everyone, so today we have our day 7 patient for Smart FUE. As we can see that the graft placement is very well and natural. No dislodgement of any graft, recovery is very fast, and as you can see, even you can't tell the difference of the planted and the existing hair. So now you can see the donor area recovery of day 7 is very good. Hair has already started to grow out and there's no redness as well. The total number of graft done for the patient is at 3,000 graft. Okay, so we have already placed at the hairline and we have also placed at the crown area for increasing density. Okay, so how do you feel about your recovery so far in these past 7 days?
The recovery seems quite fast. Okay. It's quite good. So far, after 7 days, the pain is much less and everything. So good. I think it's all as well.
So good. So basically, Smart FUE is the best, eh?
Yes, it is. It is definitely recommended.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you so much, GLOJAS and Dato'.